Well, it is the Christmas season again, and it's time for us to do our Christmas specials. Now, this year we are not doing a pay dirt special because we had too many problems last year shipping pay dirt into the US. We have set up something with Jason from Mount Baker Mining and Metals for pay dirt down in the US. However, to make up for the fact that we're not doing pay dirt, we have decided to do a whole lot of mineral specimens, tumble bags, gems, everything at a discounted rate for Christmas presents. Let's show you what we've got. We're going to start with our gold and gem grab bags. It has a nice big red garnet. It has a chunk of peridot, a quartz crystal, and a piece of gold. We also have our ever popular Christmas stone special, the Ocean Picture Stone. A very nice piece of Ocean Picture Stone for $25. They're not large, but they're beautiful. We've also decided to do a whole bunch of different tumbling bags. So we have our small chip Ocean Picture Stone, and here's an example of the small chips for tumbling. We have our flower stone, yes, flower stone, and we have dalasite. We may add a few more tumbling bags to the special as the season goes on. Now, I've cut some special jade or gem serpentine pieces just for this Christmas season. I cut a whole bunch of this rock because they're just such a beautiful green. So we have a slab, a slab of that material. I am sorry, that is way too bright. For $25. We also have our gem quality garnets. 50 carats of gem quality garnets. This picture is not doing them justice. I have to show you what they look like with light on them properly. We have a one large gemmy garnet. Again, everything here is $25. This is hard to show. They are really nice garnets. Again, I think I might get a picture off the website for that because this amount of light here is not doing that justice. We have some palm stones. We have $25 palm stone of penolite or a great jade. Dark green. Palm stones. And if you want pay dirt, as I said, we are not doing pay dirt this year, but I have hooked up with Jason from Mount Baker Mining and Metals to do some of his hard rock crush pay dirt for the Christmas season.
Okay, for this year's Christmas special pay dirt, Dana and I are not doing placer pay dirt. So I've hooked up with Jason from Mount Baker Mining and Metals here. He has his own special hard rock crush pay dirt. They come in 20-pound bags, so it's a lot of material. This is only a couple pounds in the pan right now. It'd be enough to fill the pans a couple times over. And what's in this pay dirt?
This is the run-of-mine material from my new gold mine. We crush it through the same system that you've seen in Dan and my videos in the past, and we bag it up and we send it off to you in the mail.
Awesome. So something a little different this year. We're not doing any placer pay dirt, but if you want some of your own hard rock pay dirt this year, something a little different, check out Jason on eBay. I will leave a link below to his eBay store.
Awesome. Thanks, Dan.
Now, some of these have very limited quantities, definitely. So if you want any of our Christmas presents for the Christmas season, get them quick. www.danhurdprospecting.com in the shop. As we run out of certain things, we may add others to the Christmas special section of the website.